Let's talk about your gut health and how E3 Enzymes Plus can completely transform the way you feel every day. Whether it's bloating, discomfort, or that sluggish, heavy feeling after meals, we've all been there. E3 Enzymes Plus is here to change that. It's more than just a gut health solution, it's a total game changer. E3 combines 10 targeted digestive enzymes to help break down proteins, carbs, fats, and sugars, so you're absorbing every nutrient from your food. Plus, it's packed with probiotics like L-glutamine to balance your gut and support immune health. And its unique blend of ingredients like L-glutamine, quercetin, and turkey tail mushroom actively prepares and protects your gut lining. Unlike basic probiotics, E3 goes deeper. It doesn't just give you surface level results, it addresses the root of your digestive issues. With E3, you'll feel lighter, more energized, and free to enjoy your favorite meals again without the fear of bloating or discomfort. Our customers rave about the results: better digestion, increased energy, clear skin, and even weight management. E3 isn't just about fixing problems, it's about helping you feel amazing inside and out. So why settle for anything less? E3 Enzymes Plus is the superior choice for anyone who wants to love their gut and feel incredible every single day. Try E3 today. Your gut will thank you, and so will the rest of your body.